If you ever wanted to extract the audio from a video that you recorded with your iPhone or any other smartphone but you couldn't, let me show you the simplest solution. You won't need to install any special software for this since everything will be done online. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The first step we'll take is to go to Flixier.com and then click on Get Started. A window with several import options will appear on screen. Since you want to import the video directly from your phone, choose the phone option and then scan the QR code. After scanning, you can select the video from your phone and upload it to your Flixier library. You can also choose to import your file using services like Dropbox, Google Drive, Zoom, and many others. After your file is uploaded, you'll need to put it on the timeline. You can do this easily by dragging and dropping, or you can press the plus button that appears on the video. After the video is on the timeline, you can right-click on it and select Detach Audio. Selecting the audio track on the timeline will give you new options in the right side menu. You'll be able to adjust the volume and the playback speed or put the audio on loop. One of the most useful things you can do with Flixier is enhance your audio with AI. Just go to Enhance Audio to improve the quality of your file. For example, if you filmed a video outside and there was a lot of background noise, this option will help you get rid of it. All you have to do is select what improvement you want to apply and what type of audio file you're working on. In just a few moments, Flixier will enhance the quality of your audio file. At the end, you can just click the Export button in the top right corner and select Audio instead of Video from this list. This way, your file will be saved to your computer as an MP3 in just a few minutes. And that's how you can extract and enhance the audio from any video recorded with an iPhone or any other smartphone in just a few minutes. If this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for other helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy editing!